Thank you, Alexander Melnikov 149, for this suggestion. Today, we are talking about travel. And you guys watching now can comment too. What should I talk about next? Let me know down below. Now, let us begin. Hello, learners, and welcome back to Slow English with Jenna. Just listen to me and improve your English. My name is Jenna Matthew, and I am so happy you are here again. Today, we are going to talk about something very exciting: traveling alone for the first time. Just you, no friends, no family, just you, your bags, and a ticket to somewhere new. Does that sound scary? Or does that sound exciting? Maybe it sounds like both, and that is completely okay. Because today, I want to talk about what it really feels like to travel alone for the first time, and why so many people say it changed their life. So let us begin. First, let me ask you something. Have you ever wanted to go somewhere, but nobody wanted to go with you? Maybe your friends were busy. Maybe the timing was just not right, and so you stayed home. And you always wondered, what if? What if I had just bought the ticket and gone? I think many people feel this way. They want to travel, but they are waiting for the right person, waiting for the right time. But here's the truth. The right time is now, and the right person is you. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Traveling alone sounds lonely. Who will I talk to? What if something goes wrong? These are normal fears, but let me tell you something. When you travel alone, something magical happens. You start to meet people, real people, interesting people, people from all over the world. When you are alone, you are more open. You smile at strangers, you start conversations, you ask for help, and people help you. That is the beauty of solo travel. You're never really alone. Now, the first day is usually the hardest. You arrive at the airport, you check in by yourself, you find your gate by yourself, and you might feel a little nervous. That's normal. But then the plane takes off, and you look out the window, and you think, I did this. I'm doing this by myself. And that feeling is incredible. When you arrive, everything is new. The streets are new, the food is new, the sounds and the smells are new. You might get a little lost, and that's okay. Getting lost is part of the adventure. Some of the best moments in travel happen when you are lost. You find a small cafe you never planned to visit. You walk down a street you never planned to walk, and you discover something beautiful, something you would never have found if everything went perfectly. So do not be afraid of getting lost. Now, when you travel alone, you are in charge of everything. You decide where to go. You decide what to eat. You decide when to wake up and when to sleep. Nobody is telling you what to do, and that freedom is one of the greatest feelings in the world. Solo travel also teaches you something very important about yourself. It teaches you what you really like, not what your friends like, not what your family likes, what you like. And that is a very powerful thing to discover. Now, I want to leave you with one thought. Traveling alone is not just about the destination, it's about you. It's about discovering who you are when nobody is watching. It's about pushing yourself a little further than you thought you could go. It's about coming home and realizing, I did that. I went somewhere new. I figured it out by myself. And that feeling stays with you forever. So if you've been thinking about traveling alone, this is your sign. Book the ticket, pack the bag, and go. You won't regret it. Now, I have a question for you. Have you ever traveled alone, or do you want to? Leave a comment below and tell me. I love hearing your stories. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Jake and Jenna English and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new episode. Thank you so much for listening today. Keep going, keep learning, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.